In this video, we're going to be learning how to long tail cast on. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using a 9mm circular needle, but I'm going to be using it as a regular needle. So first, we need to leave a tail. The length of the tail depends on how many stitches you're going to cast on. So to decide how long of a tail you need to leave, we're just going to wrap this yarn around the needle. Say if I want to cast on 10 stitches, I'm just going to wrap this yarn around the needle 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is how long I need to leave the tail. You can always add a little bit more just to be safe. So this is the point where I need to make my slip knot. There are many different ways to make a slip knot, but I'm going to show you my way. So I'm just going to make a loop like this, with the short end on this side, on top. And then I'm going to pull this yarn through the loop, so like this. This loop right here, pull it through. And we've created a slip knot. Now we're going to insert our needle with the short end facing us. If you put the loop the other way, it's okay for now, but you just make sure you grab your short end and place it in front of you. That loop counts as the first stitch. So now we're going to begin our cast on. So to cast on a stitch, I'm going to put my thumb and my index finger between the two threads and then hold the yarns down and then spread the two threads open. And then we're going to flip our hand, but before that, hold this loop on the needle so it doesn't slip off. And then you flip your hand like this to create a slingshot. And then you can see we have two loops here. One is on the thumb, the other on my pointer. So this is the easiest way for me to look at them. Simply see them as two loops instead of 4 yarn threads. So first, we're going to go through the thumb loop upward. That's up. And then go through the pointer loop downward. That is down. And then go through the thumb loop downward. Down. And then just pull the yarn down. So let's do that again. Between the threads, hold yarn down, slingshot, 2 loops. We're going to go up, down, down. So 1, 2, 1, and up, down, down. So 1 up, 2 down, and 1 down. One up, 2 down, and 1 down. Right? So this is up, this is down. This is up, this is down. Okay? So up, down, down. So again, slingshot, up, down, down. Up, down, down. Up, down, down. Up, down, down. Okay, so now as you can see, we've got loops on our needle. We've got 10 stitches here, 10 loops, including the first slip knot. And that is how you do a long tail cast on. And from here, you're just gonna do your pattern, whether it's knit or purl. If you want to learn how to knit or purl a stitch, I've got videos right here.